Good morning, children. This is our social studies class. Today, children, we are going to start chapter 4. So, open your book at page number 13. Children, this is the chapter of food, different types of food. Why do we need to eat food? And which kind of food should we eat? Which kind of food should we avoid? Okay. So, children, as you all know, food plays very important role to build our health. If we eat healthy food, then our health will be good. We will be strong, healthy. Okay. So, let's read the chapter. Follow your book, children. We eat many things. We drink many things. We make our food. They make our food. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food makes us strong. Food makes us grow. We need food to live. So, children, why do we need food? We need food to stay strong, to grow, and to stay healthy. Things we eat and drink. We eat chapati, dal, rice. We eat vegetables, we eat fruits. We are vegetarians. So, children, the people who eat chapati, dal, rice, vegetables, fruits, they are called vegetarians. Some of us eat eggs too. They eat fish and meat. They are non-vegetarian. So the people who eat vegetables, fruits and also egg, fish, meat, they are called non-vegetarians. We drink milk, soup and juice. Some of us also drink tea or coffee. Identify the following food items and match them with their names. You all know about these food items, children. Now you have to match the names with their respective pictures. So, first picture is of eggs. So, these are eggs. You have to match this. Vegetables. Where is vegetables? And these are vegetables. Then where can you see the picture of fruits? These are fruits and fruits here. Okay. So children, in this way match the remaining pictures with their names. Do it yourself. Next page, food time. So children, now we know that healthy food makes us healthy and strong. But you also have to know that you should take your meal at proper time. You should maintain time. We take breakfast in the morning. We take lunch at afternoon. In evening, we take milk or light snacks. We take dinner at night. You can see the clock time given. Breakfast in the morning 7 o'clock. Lunch 1:30. Snacks around 5 o'clock and dinner at 8 o'clock. So children, we should maintain time. Okay, we should take our meals at proper time. Lunch and dinner are our main meals. So lunch and dinner are our main meals, and we have to eat breakfast. Okay, this is also very important for our health. What do you eat in? Now here write what do you like to eat in breakfast, in lunch and in dinner. So write about your favorite food here. Good food, good health. Vegetables are good for health. Fruits are also good for health. We should eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Milk is good for health. We should drink a lot of milk. We should take clean and fresh food. So always remember to eat clean and fresh food. So children, good food, good health. So what are the good food? Vegetables, fruits, and we should drink milk. Okay, so we should eat this good food to make good health. We must remember, take how much milk do you drink every day? 1 glass, 2 glasses, more than 2 glasses. So children, some of you don't like to drink milk, but milk is very important for your health, children. So you should drink milk. And here you have to take how many glasses of milk do you drink every day? 1 glass or 2 glasses or more than 2 glasses. Next, page 15. We must remember. So children, so far in this chapter we have discussed about what are the foods that we take. Now we are going to know what are the food items that we should not eat or we should avoid as much as possible. Number 1, not to eat pastries, burgers, french fries every day. Not to drink cold drink or artificial juice every day. Not to talk while chewing the food. Not to waste food. So, children, we should not eat pastries, burgers, french fries, or we should not drink cold drinks, artificial juice every day. Okay, sometimes you can eat this, but do not eat these junk foods. These are called junk foods because these foods are not good for our health. So we should not eat these types of food or we should not drink these types of drink on every day. Okay, you can eat this very seldom. Okay, you can eat this. Do not eat this on regular basis. So identify the fruit and vegetables selling in shop. Match them to the names of items given in the list. Vegetables, potato, tomato, brinjal, carrot. What are the names, children? Can you see the box? Vegetables. What are the vegetables? Potato, tomato, brinjal, carrot, capsicum. And what are the fruits? Banana, apple, orange, grapes, mango. Now match them. You know all the vegetables and fruits. You can identify them very easily. So match them with their names. So children, this is very important chapter. You should read the chapter properly because this chapter tells us about good foods and what are the foods that we should eat and what are the foods that we should avoid, and who are called vegetarians, who are non-vegetarians, and about the time, maintaining the time of eating food. Okay, and what are the different types of vegetables and fruits that we to stay strong, to grow, and to food makes us healthy सो वी नीड फूड टू लिव। तो यहाँ पे आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, वाई शुड वी ईट फूड, वाई डू यू टेक फूड। सेकंड, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने सीखा है वेजिटेरियन कौन कौन होते हैं, जो लोग दाल चपाती राइस वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स यही सब खाते हैं और एग्स फिश मीट ये सब नहीं खाते हैं, उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं वेजिटेरियंस। ओके और नॉन वेजिटेरियंस किन को बोलते हैं, जो इस वेजिटेबल्स राइस ये सब तो खाते ही हैं, इसके साथ एग्स मीट फिश ये सब भी खाते हैं, तो उन लोगों को हम लोग बोलेंगे नॉन वेजिटेरियन। ओके और जूस देखो हम लोग क्या क्या लेते हैं, हम लोग वी ड्रिंक मिल्क सूप जूस और कोई कोई टी और कॉफ़ी भी लेते हैं। नेक्स्ट हम लोगों ने इस चैप्टर से सीखे हैं कि कौन से टाइम में हम लोग कौन सा मील लेते हैं। जैसे मॉर्निंग में हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट लेते हैं और आफ्टरनून में लंच और इवनिंग में हम लोग स्नैक्स लेते हैं और डिनर हम लोग नाइट को क्या लेते हैं, डिनर। ओके सो दिस आर द मील्स वी टेक। और यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा है कि कौन सा फूड हमारे हेल्थ के लिए अच्छे हैं, जैसे कि वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स ये सब तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं और मिल्क भी हम लोगों को पीना बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और इसके बाद हम लोगों ने सीखा है कि कौन से फूड को आप लोगों को अवॉइड करना चाहिए, नहीं खाना चाहिए, जितना पॉसिबल है नहीं खाना चाहिए, फिर बहुत ही कम आप लोग इस सारे फूड को खाएं, जैसे कि है पेस्ट्रीज़ बर्गर्स फ्रेंच फ्राइज़ और ड्रिंक्स में जैसे कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आर्टिफिशियल जूस ये सब जो है ये सब हम लोगों को नहीं पीना है। ओके और नॉट टू टॉक वाइल च्यूइंग द फूड, अगर खाना खाते टाइम आप खाना च्यू करते टाइम आप बातें करेंगे तो ये आपके लिए हार्मफुल हो सकते हैं। और सबसे यहाँ पे एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट है नॉट टू वेस्ट फूड, खाना कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके जितना आप खा सकते उतना ही खाना आप प्लेट में लीजिए, उतना ही खाइए, खाना को वेस्ट मत कीजिए। ओके नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे कुछ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स है पिक्चर है, उनके नाम है जिनको आपको मैच करना है। सो चिल्ड्रन इस चैप्टर को आप लोग रीडिंग कीजिए अच्छे से। चिल्ड्रन रीड दिस चैप्टर एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस एंड in our next class we will complete the exercise part of this chapter. Thank you.